If you look Nigeria well, nothing they want tell me. Everybody where they government and they smoke Igbo. No, I even insult Igbo self. Because Igbo no really bad like that. They goof. Wait till that. Because if you hear government policy, you know if you tell me say somebody no do there where they sell them. Because hear news. ASU extend strike to another month. You as a Nigerian, you go to complain. They are keeping the children for 8 months. You call here another news. Naira crashes to the dollar. You see they complain about forex. Things they cost. You call here another news. 15 kidnapped on Abuja highway. You go still complain. Insecurity. Then tomorrow morning you come here breaking news for your mind. Government want to address all these problems. They don't delegate on how to solve it. Next way you go here. Federal government bank for more. Wetin concern pomo with wetin we dey complain? Pomo, innocent pomo. I say no be Igbo. But the kind stuff we dey Nigeria now, I nearly envy people who died last year. Because they say at least them, they don't already, this is no concern them. Because nothing there, you know. No fuel, no money, no... You call the pastor the bury person, you call the envious. Baba, your own good, oh. No really see what they go on. Nothing. People are frustrated. Nothing they work, even betting. Anybody who bets now, they lose. Nobody now lose today. Like me, I know they bet football. If I want bet now boxing, at least if I lose, I know say person will make me lose. They don't beat and well. Idiot. Blowing left eye made the blast the crazy. They help me beat and made it okay. Because we're frustrated, man. Look at the country. Nothing they told. I say we die alive, we don't die. Because you die and alive with this. So that if they show you your picture now, you go right alive. You wait 2 hours from now, if you no collapse, man. Bro, Nigeria is crazy, man. Election don't come, they deceive us. They make us feel like say the thing hard. No hard though. Election no real like that. Anybody go just come talking you. You where you stand, you call the... I don't even really tire for this comedy self. That's why I just... Okay, people like M.O.P. made it, they come. I don't tire, waiting. I don't tire now. Since 2002, how many years now? 21 years. Last time they work for one company now, for BMD now. My voice feel like Peter Obisef, I feel cut. Or tell me if I lose. Because the thing is hard. Because most times when you come out, people come fall down like say, man, I even say whether this problem, this boy feel solve. Now me put up. Oh, you know, no say reach this side. If to say a quick do ritual when they advise me, I for day here now, this guy go day here. I didn't follow it, you know. I'm tired, man. So most times, because I love Nigerians, we love ourselves. The only problem is say we know they like make some people they enjoy, make some people they suffer. If we want suffer, maybe general. If we go enjoy, that's why we invest for politicians, nothing more. If to say as we they suffer, they suffer. If we complain, more die. You do okay because that's why the area where they stay one sniper take light. First way they check whether na everywhere. You go just open window. Thank God na everywhere. Because you don't realize say as you they reach your neighbor. You get. Bro, everybody's less busy, there's no work. That's why somebody where they make minister, leave the work. They go about the grant interview for presidential candidate whenever we in a minister. Here too. Baba work day, 9 weeks get time they sing as they paying them. It's less busy, bro. Even though all the things we get the commission. Work no day anywhere. Everybody now to survive, you need different jobs. That's why who open hospital now, they open mortuary, who no survive go die. The money go still. You have to block it. You go chemist now, they sell beer because they don't know. They don't know where they come from. Especially Igbo men. Baba, if Igbo man market something for you, you don't say Igbo man fish sell water to fish go buy him. Igbo, my friend don't they come back before whole clutches. He get better Lego. I said where you go? He said he go Alaba. I said, and now you whole clutches. He said the guy said they do promo. I said they do promo. Now you buy clutches. You say Acapella. If that guy advertise for you, go buy coffin. Say the guy that advertise. You know, so every man gets second shop. I don't know who they pay the rent. Just now you get LG, so now you're on a second shop. Why did you not always do this shop all day? You can't go that side, you know that's second shop. Any woman can convince you. Ask her whether I get Hennessy. If you no get her, the way you go make you feel like say Hennessy na got her. Just as you get Hennessy, say na kananga. Na you let to. Na Glenfiddich now. Then you go come by the Glenfiddich, come reach us. Who send you go come sir? Where the NSC was send you, you go come tell her what they tell you. Akananga. Then you come verse. Go meet the woman, call quarrel and say, "Now you tell me say they drink NSC again." Say now they Glen. I bet take this soon. Give me NSC. You woman no they ever lose. Oh. Now you go just looking now, no shout. NSC day now, but you go add some more money. You must add something. I don't enter. I know one of the rich things what they get as Igbo people in accent. I don't enter Igbo man shop early morning to 8. He just open beer for me. Said, nah, beer with me, I get bad day. I say, who spoil your day? 8 just the knock in the morning. People never even wake up, your day don't spoil. He can now. He said, nah, beer with me. That's why he squeeze face, so just no, I get bad day. I said, can I God forbid, I can never join you. Celebrate your way people bad day. I just they come here. He said, now if you go beer, if you no go beer, leave am. I said, I get bad day. Now today, them bomb me. Now my bad day. So, now in birthday, we can't celebrate. You know, so we need to beg each other. Most times when we talk about Nigeria problem, people who affect the most, now they will cost you. You post video to address, they'll say, Baba, face your comedy. At least you know so I get work. You, which one be your work? But I know if you tell you to face anything because you can't face anywhere, you know. So Nigeria is collapsing. Yeah. If you look around, don't let nobody deceive you. There's no system that's designed to protect you. The system is there to protect itself. You don't care about it. Check them now. We go complain about robbery. Like Lagos, where would they stay, where this guy built. By the way, if na Lagos you from come, na God do for you. No need to pay rent again, no. Because Tinubu build Lagos. So if your landlord come, tell him, go call the landlord. Go call your guy. You know, say like every tenant they tell the landlord, say, go call who build Lagos. Now that's how we go really know who build Lagos. Because just tell him, say, go call who build Lagos. Go see your landlord, hey, you see this part of Lagos? Now me build them. Now me build this side. Because it's crazy. Where would they go? We don't know whether would they go front, whether would they go back. Nigeria is the only country when you travel, you be like, would they go the future? When you come back, you can't come to the past. You can't do present, they do like this, past and future. Everything is confused. It's collapsing now. What do we get to lose? Look well, I know they tell people to vote wisely. I don't really know what that means. Which one be oh, if you want copy it, I'll be talking. Which one be like saying I know they talk vote wisely. The system does not care about it. In Lagos, they rob us every day. But they traffic, they go rob you anywhere, you are not even safe. People go shout. The government like say police no reach. Like they are short of police. But once youth just announce they want protest, my brother, if you see police everywhere, that's to tell you that the system is there to protect itself, not you. They don't care. So you have to open your eye because now all they talk about Nigeria problem, people they chop belle food go say, I beg anybody want me, we no concern me, I do okay, no problem. Now when people no see food chop, begin see your neck like turkey. Once you pass the soul, boy, see meat. Because you fit say you do okay, you get 100 million, you get 50 million. Once you pass Kaduna Abuja Expressway, you are broke. You are broke, bro. No money. That's why I look at a lot of things. Like Bible. You go ever hold your phone, you can see update Facebook, update Instagram, update WhatsApp. I hold my phone the other day, I can't see update Bible. I can't say who Solomon don't go give belle again. Because waiting happen afresh, where they update Bible, waiting happen new. You ever see some Bible stories? You know, say if now Jonah come back after 3 days. The wife calls say where you go. He said I just did my own, God say my God, I know they go, 9 fish swallow me. You know, say that the way your wife respond, you go know so you don't lose the case. As you just tell her, say fish swallow, you go say for where? You say bad bitch, come go show me. How you want to know where the fish? As soon as they go, you go to greet people. One catch the family, say they. What of a guy there? You know, they go say no. Fish swallow my husband, I won't go check him. Because you go see some things. You get some other parts of the Bible where they shock me. That part of the Bible say, he that look at a woman and lust after her. Say the dog counter. Baba heaven go empty. Nyash. Now I tell the play. So as I did now, Nyash go pass, I know look am. Because they want make the counter now. I fear them. If I perish, I perish. You know what to be Nyash? You know they read Bible. Bible say when the now the reason they say man no look Nyash. Now so that I go make heaven. Abi? Bible say angels where they already they stay for the heaven. When they see Nyash, they lust after the daughters of men. Angel choose Nyash over heaven. Now come me, we never see heaven picture. Baba, they go balance this thing. No? I go look Nyash, wait till what happen, may happen. Because Nyash no make sense. Now women, they pay 3.2 million. For Lekki. If you see real Nyash for Lekki now, my brother, I don't know what God do for you. All the Nyash for Lekki now, the photocopy, I'm no better. That's why when Oyibo bring different policies, we go just look them. They bring one policy that time. Now Oyibo they do everything. Transgender, same-sex marriage. The one way they do Igbo boys converse for America, now when they bring gay. Before Igbo boy try gay, now they near him. Here follow come or converted. Igbo boy guys they show. Because you know say problem too much for Nigeria, so we don't even get room to worship God again. No? All our song na lamentation. We are complaining, but for our mind we dey worship. See Oyibo now, virtually everything we dey pray for. Like for abroad, they pursue their dream. For Nigeria, they pursue us for dream. You get? Almost everything we dey pray to God for. Abroad, now government they do one. Because how does somebody, how are you going home? You are saying, Father, as I'm going home, let there be light. God na NEPA. Yeah! If just no go, you may leave and no be me bring and come. If you look Nigeria well, nothing they want to tell me. Everybody where they government and they smoke Igbo. No, they even insult Igbo self. Because Igbo no really bad like that. They goof. Wait till that. Because if you hear government policy, you know if you tell me say somebody know the way they sell them. Because hear news. ASU extend strike to another month. You as a Nigerian, you go to complain they are keeping the children for 8 months. You call here another news. Naira crashes to the dollar, 7.45. You see they complain about forex. Things they cost. You call here another news. 15 kidnapped on Abuja highway. You go still complain insecurity. Then tomorrow morning you come here breaking news for your mind. Government want to address all these problems. They don't delegate on how to solve it. Next way you go here. Federal government bank for more. Wetin concern Pomo with wetin we dey complain? Pomo, innocent Pomo. I say no be Igbo. They smoke one or two of these things because wetin dey even shock me. Wait, they gather as the whole problem dey. Somebody just suggest say what we do today is to ban Pomo. They come say those who agree say aye. Hey, Baba, we dey fuck up. Anyway.